Along with going on a homophobic rant and getting hit with a shoe, DaBaby's Rolling Loud sets at him bring out Tory Lanez, the man who allegedly shot Megan Thee Stallion, right after the savage rapper performed. DaBaby brought a large, messy slop of pettiness to Rolling Loud on Sunday, July 25. The rapper, who performed right after Megan Thee Stallion at the Miami festival, had performed a handful of his songs, including Cry Baby, his collab with Meg, before he brought out someone in a jumbo costume. "I'll give somebody out here $1 million if they can guess who in here," said DaBaby, 29. "I got $1 million right now if you can guess who. Who you think?" The person in the costume was none other than Tory Lanez, the man Megan accused of shooting her in July 2020. DaBaby just brought out Tory Lanez during his Rolling Loud set. Megan Thee Stallion performed before him. pic.twitter.com/mfx2nezra XXL Magazine, at XXL, July 26, 2021. After Tory, 28, dropped the costume, he and DaBaby launched into their collab, Scott, before doing a cover of Megan's song, Cash It, according to setlist.fm. Many fans picked up on DaBaby's disrespect, doing his song with Meg, bringing out Tory, then covering one of her songs, and expressed their disgust online. What's so vile and disgusting about DaBaby is he had the nerve to play #Megan Thee Stallion song before and after Tory came out. Then he played her whole verse. Like, who raising these dudes? I really hope DaBaby's daughters don't experience a man like him. What's so vile and disgusting about it? DaBaby is he had the nerve to play #Megan Thee Stallion song before and after Tory Lanez came out. Then he played her whole verse. Like, who raising these dudes? I really hope DaBaby's daughters don't experience a man like him. pic.twitter.com/zermanek Terry, at Terry Meg, July 26, 2021. In August 2020, Megan accused Tory of shooting her in the foot and expanded on the claims in an October op-ed for the New York Times. After a party, I was shot twice as I walked away from him. We were not in a relationship. Truthfully, I was shocked that I ended up in that place. Tory denied the allegations. He even released an entire, poorly received, album where he refuted the accusations. In October 2020, Tory was charged with 1 felony count of assault with a semi-automatic firearm and 1 count of carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle. He pleaded not guilty to both counts. As for DaBaby and Megan, they had a falling out after he teamed up with Tory for Scott. Megan unfollowed DaBaby after the single was released in June, and she tweeted, "Support me in private and publicly do something different, these industry men are very strange. This situation ain't no damn beef, and I really wish people would stop downplaying it like it's some internet shit for likes and retweets." She and DaBaby got into a back and forth, "You know, like I know I ain't no industry in, let him fool you into thinking that you trippin'," he tweeted, and it seemed like it was over, until now. Related gallery. Megan Thee Stallion, pics. Someone threw Adidas shoe at DaBaby when he was performing at #Rolling Loud. pic.twitter.com/zvskolf Elite Media Group, at the Elite Media _ July 26, 2021. DaBaby also went on a homophobic rant during his set at Rolling Loud, for the Gay Times. If you didn't show up today with HIV, AIDS, or any of them deadly sexually transmitted diseases, that'll make you die in 2 to 3 weeks. Then put your cell phone lighter up, he said. Ladies, if your pee smell like water, put your cell phone lighter up. Fellas, if you ain't sucking decay in the parking lot, put your cell phone lighter up. Shortly after those comments, someone threw a shoe at him. Who the FCK threw that mother effing busted ass goddamn, Adidas? He said.